Well, good morning, everybody. It's a great honour and privilege for me to be speaking at this first event in Riyadh for our strategic partnership with Merger Market. I'm going to talk about the economic outlook and people's confidence in that. I'm going to talk about the M&A market dynamics and trends that we see in the market. And I'm going to talk about how we see the appetite for M&A and the outlook.
We're really seeing opportunistic M&A opportunities outside of the kingdom. So Saudi businesses are aggressively looking domestically within the region. The liquidity and the cash position should really prompt more M&A activity. However, in the backdrop, we have this overhang of uncertainty, which sometimes does cause an element of our clients sitting on the fence and adopting a wait-and-see approach. One of the key takeaways today on the panel was when the representative from Tadawul, the Saudi Stock Exchange, mentioned the post-IPO support available, so continuing that equity story post-listing. So it's not just when the bell rings on the day, but the journey 1 week, 1 month, 1 year, and a decade down the line, some of the stigma behind the challenges. And in this part of the region, transparency is one of the key stigmas for the family businesses because they're not used to disclosing all of their financials and information. But I think it was very profound that the benefits by far outweigh the challenges.
This morning, our first panel of the day, which will discuss the challenges and opportunities presented to deal makers in conducting strategic M&A in Saudi, and we'll talk also a little bit probably about the GCC region as a whole.
This is the real economy in the GCC. So when we talk GCC, we have the depth in Saudi Arabia, we have the industrial sector in Saudi Arabia, we have the population in Saudi Arabia, we have the stability in Saudi Arabia, and we have the money, the liquidity in Saudi Arabia.
The M&A landscape is certainly booming in Saudi Arabia. If you had asked me the question a number of years ago, my answer would be slightly different. What's quite interesting is that the dynamics have changed in the sense that we're looking at Saudi businesses looking at M&A opportunities in the country, but also in the GCC, but are also seeking to enter foreign markets at the same time. What Saudi Arabia offers, I think, is quite unique in the sense that if you look at the country and you compare it to other regional players, Saudi Arabia happens to be a quite stable country. As far as the M&A landscape is concerned, it will continue to boom. I think shareholder expectations on the buy and sell side are becoming more aligned, and it's quite interesting to see that today being manifested throughout the conference. There appears to be greater synergy between members of the audience here as far as what are the key targets, priorities in Saudi Arabia, what are the specific issues that corporations and conglomerates in Saudi Arabia face when they're exporting products and services outside of Saudi Arabia.